Hi, we're here talking about prostate problems. Now, in our culture, what men do is take the young lady out to dinner and maybe a few drinks, and then they want to go home and do the wild thing. So the young man says to the blood, I need you to get out of the kitchen and go to the basement. And the blood's like, we're fine here in the kitchen. We're enjoying the meal. We don't need to go to the basement. And the man says, I need you to go to the basement right now. And the blood says, no, we're good. And the man says, go to the basement now. So now you're forcing the blood out of the stomach into the basement. Now, this is a cultural phenomenon, so this goes on months, years, decades of forcing incompletely digested food into the blood, into the prostate. And the prostate is the cleanest organ in the body because the prostate lubricates the urethra before the ejaculation of sperm, killing all the bacteria. So the prostate is pretty important, and now you're putting dirt and undigested food into the prostate. So that creates a problem. Now, in other cultures like India, for example, they know they're going to make love. So they prepare the bedroom. So they hang silks on the wall. They light perfume. They have scented oils. They give the young lady a massage. They massage her feet. They massage every part except the parts that you think you want to touch. And then they make love to her for 1, 2, 3 hours. And then they go have a meal, which was prepared in another room already set up. So if you really want to get healthy, skip dinner and make love instead. 2 nights, maybe 3 nights a week. Make sex your food. But in our culture, we make food the important thing, and sex is like an afterthought. Like, oh, by the way, let's get this in before I fall asleep. So our perspective is wrong, and after decades of that process, it's no wonder that half of the male population has a prostate problem. Half of them get cancer, and half of them die. On the good side, that means half of them actually live. And we're not talking implants with radioactive seeds and whatnot. We're not talking surgery. We're not talking chemo. That means half the people that get prostate cancer live without all that stuff. So there is a way out. So if you want to know the alternative for prostate cancer, you know who to call. Thanks for listening.